Welcome the digital notepad for your team. Here is how to get started in just 5 minutes. Create your account. Sign up for a free trial, no credit card required. Enter your name and email, or simply sign up with Google. Next, choose the plan that suits you best. Got a special gift code? Redeem it here for exclusive lifetime access. Next, let's build your team. Navigate to the Employees section and click Add New Employee. Simply enter their name, email, and assign a role, admin or employee. Here is the game changer. Your team does not need to install any app. They are ready to start tracking time immediately. Once the profile is created, simply copy the invite link. You can send it to them directly using whatever works best for your team, whether it is via email, WhatsApp, or any other messaging app. When the employee clicks the link, they simply create their own password. That is it. Now, let's set up your work sites. Go to the Locations tab and create a new spot. Give it a name and a clear description. This part is crucial. It tells your AI assistant exactly what tasks need to be done and the expected work hours at this post. This ensures your future reports are accurate. The system then automatically generates a unique QR code for this location. Simply print it and place it at the entrance. Let's talk about communication. With Agilobee, you can send instant announcements to your staff. You have full flexibility, broadcast a message to the entire team, target a specific work location, or simply send a private note to an individual employee. Let's look at the Reports section. Here you can filter data exactly how you need it. View a specific employee, check a single location with all staff, or see the big picture across all sites. You get a ready-made overview of completed tasks and total hours worked. Need to run payroll? Simply click Employee Dashboard. After setting their password, the employee lands on their personal dashboard. Here, they can catch up on important messages from management and switch the interface language to what suits them best. That is it. They are now fully ready to scan the QR code. At the end of the workday, checking out is just as smart. The employee briefly fills in what was accomplished. They can specify if they worked individually or as part of a team. Need to report missing materials or blockers? Add a comment right here. However, if it was a standard team effort with no specific issues, they can simply choose to finish the day without a report. Back in your admin dashboard, you have a complete real-time overview. Instantly see who has finished work and read their daily reports, while also tracking who is still active on site. Meanwhile, your AI assistant is already analyzing this data. The next morning, simply click the AI button to receive a smart summary. Of course, you can always dive deeper right now by visiting the Reports section and filtering by any specific location. Start free trial today.